It's our members' exhibition coming up soon. Some members ask, how can I take a good photo of my painting for the exhibition? In this video, I'm going to share with you how to take a good photo. And I'm going to use this watercolor painting as an example. In order to take good photo of your painting, the lighting is very crucial. There are two types of lightings that you can use. One is the indoor light. One is the outdoor light. Let's first talk about the indoor lighting. The indoor lighting, I recommend that you will use soft light. If you have a setup indoor photography lighting, that will be a very good solution. You can take pictures anytime you want because you have full control of the lighting inside your studio. This is my watercolor demonstration table. Together, the two light boxes have 8 light bulbs. They are all full spectrum sunlight. Before I take photograph, make sure I have my painting attached to a cardboard so that the whole painting would be flat and straight. I just take a piece of tapes, have the sticky side facing outside, and I roll it, fold it like this. Now I push 4 corners. Now I'm going to have the painting in a slanted angle, 35 to 40 degrees. You can use iPhone, Android phone, a regular camera. For the demonstration, I'm going to use the iPad. Through the iPad screen, you can see how your painting plays inside the frame. Making sure you have the top edge, the bottom edge, the left edge, and the right edge all straight and parallel to the edge of your frame. That's just good. Press on the button and you take a photograph. After you take your photograph, you still can make some additional color corrections and enhancement. You first can use cropping. Press this button for rotation and cropping. Now you can drag a corner on the side and moving in. Just a little bit overlapping to the edge, that would be great. Now you can press done. Sometimes you need to adjust the brightness of the photo. And you can press edit again. Press the icon for the brightness, look like a light bulb. You can slide it up or down. You can adjust the brightness to match your original painting. Some of our members may not really have a good indoor lighting. In this case, you will need to use the outdoor light, which is the sun. There are 2 choices for you. One is place the paintings in the sun area. I put my painting on the chair in a slanted angle. Now I place my camera, pay attention to photograph inside the frame, making sure all 4 sides parallel to the frame of your viewfinder. The second option, taking photo outdoor, you can place a painting in a shade. If you have a stand or tripod to hold your camera, that will be even better. So you can spend more time to adjust the position, the best view before you take the photograph. Also thinking about if you need to adjust the brightness on the screen before you take the photo. If you forget, that's okay. You can do the enhancements afterward. When you're taking photograph outdoor, just keep that in mind. When you take photos in a really bright sun, the color of your photograph will likely more saturated than your painting. More contrast. You can adjust it afterward to enhance the color to match closely to your original painting. These are the basic tricks of taking a good photos indoor or outdoor. If you have any questions, please let me know. I'm looking forward to see all your beautiful paintings. If you like this video, please subscribe and turn on notification. I will see you in my next video.